So, when I went and bought this car, I had a check engine light. Cylinder 5 wasn't firing right. So, told the dealer, he didn't seem too enthused. Apparently, if I really wanted the car, I had to deal with it. So, I think it was the coil. I don't know. That was the only code that would pop up. So, yesterday I went and bought a new coil, replaced it. Now I got cylinder 5 missing, and what was it? Multiple cylinders are skipping now. So 1, that's 3, 5, and I think that's 8. That's what these spark plugs were like in there. They look like they're a little hot. It's usually a sign of oh man, low fuel, I think. I can't remember. I ordered another fuel injector, so I'm hoping these spark plugs will resolve my issue. I thought maybe I'd get by with just changing number 5s, but it's not doing it. So, I know I got a good battery. So, whatever it is, it's electrical, I know that. So, being a cop car, it has an insane amount of idle hours. So, I'm hoping this resolves it. If not, I'm going to change the fuel injector and maybe check the fuel pressure. And I may have to change the fuel filter. And if that don't resolve it, then it may be something major. I hope not. I don't think so, but we'll find out. I have a warranty, but I pay for parts. I think they pay the labor or something like that, so I gotta get the ball running on this before time runs out. Because I see right now I'm gonna get ass raped. 2 spark plugs per cylinder, you know, dealer. And I guarantee you they're gonna try to change these coil packs. They're like $40 a piece. I ain't dropping $500 on this, not unless I need to. So right now I'm on cylinder 1. Coil pack sits right there. Right there's cylinder 3. That's what the coil pack looks like. As you can see, the one in the back of the brown, that is the new coil pack I just put on. And I get the cylinder 1, I had to take my air box off. So, and hopefully that's not bad, but that's the fuel injector. So, we'll find out what happens. Well, I did all that work, and the car's still doing it. Spark plugs look a little burnt, so thinking maybe a fuel pressure issue. Fortunately, I don't see a fuel port readily available. So I guess I'll be calling the dealer, because I got a warranty, but I think I pay for parts and they pay for the labor or something like that. And I kind of figured that they would probably do a tune-up and charge me and probably not test nothing. So that was just my theory on that. So since I put the plugs in, I replaced the coil that I got coming in. I don't know when it's coming in, but got the injector. I'm going to change the injector out, and we'll see, go from there. And if that don't resolve it, call the dealer. Have fun.